Hello, what is UiPath document understanding framework digitization, right? So in my first video we have seen what do you mean by the UiPath document understanding. Later we have seen what is taxonomy. Just go through that video so you will get a better idea about what do you mean by document understanding and what do you mean by the taxonomy. So today we will see what is the digitization, right? So digitization is the second step of document understanding framework. So as we know, we need to follow different steps like taxonomy, digitization, classification, extraction, validation, export and train. So today we will see what do you mean by digitization. So we know we need to deal with different types of the document, right? So digitized document and non-digitized document. So non-digital documents means like papers, bills or scan documents. These documents are non-digitized document, they are not digital, right? So what do you mean by digital documents or digitized documents? So pdf file is a digitized document, right? So digitized document, pdf files, doc, ppt, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, right? Documentation, all this type of document are the digitized documentation, or you can say digitized document. But here in non-digitized document like papers, bills, scan documents. So when we go with this document understanding, we need to go with digitized document as well as non-digitized document, right? So digitization is the process of obtaining machine readable text from a given informating files so that a robot can understand its contents and acts upon them. That means whichever format this bot will get, for example non-digitized document or digital documents, they need to first convert that non-digital document into a digital format. Once they convert that is in a form of the digitized format, then bot will take actions on that. Like if they want to search some item from the document, they will easily search, or they need to take different action as well, right? So digitization is the process of converting non-digitized document into a digital format, right? So we will see how we can do that in UiPath document understanding. So with help of the OCR engines we can do that. So what do you mean by this OCR? Optical character recognition, right? Optical character recognitions. Just in this example or in this image, if you see here, if we have any scan document with us, right? If we scan the document, so with help of that OCR engines or this optical fiber or optical character recognition engine, we can easily convert that scan document to the text document, right? So that is the main purpose of this OCR engines, or you can say OCR softwares. OCR technology is a business solution, or you can say it's a business software, or a OCR engines we can say, for automating data extraction from printed or written text, right? Written text, as we know, written text is nothing but it's a non-digitized document, right? Scan copy is also non-digitized document. If we want to deal with this type document, if we want to automate this type of document, then we can use OCR engines or OCR software, right? So text from a scan document or image file and then converting the text into a machine readable form to be used for data processing like editing or searching. In UiPath we have different OCR engines like Abby Cloud OCR, Abby OCR, Google Cloud OCR, Microsoft OCR, Test React OCR, OmniPage OCR, Microsoft Project, Oxford Online OCR. So apart from these OCRs also we have different OCR engines which is available in industry. We need to just take license of that, and we need to integrate that OCR to this current UiPath as well, right? One more thing, or one more topic we need to incorporate with this topic like DOM. What do you mean by this document object model? When we are dealing with object, when we are dealing with any object, or you can say any entity, right, we are converting, or when we convert any non-digitized document into the digitized document with help of the OCR engines, so backgroundly this DOM, like document object model, is working. The document object model is a programming interface. It defines the logical structure of documents and the way of document is accessed and manipulated. So at the background, one file is to be created. So in that file we can see there are lot of information is available, right? Like what is the document type, what is the language of that document, what is the element which is presented in that document. So all that detail level document is available when we create the DOM object, or DOM, you can say, module, right? So that's what this document object model is also used in this document understanding, right? So we'll see practically how we can deal with this document object module digitized documentation in UiPath. Okay, so we all know what do you mean by taxonomy. So this load taxonomy is already covered, just go through the first video, right? Now we need to work with second steps, right? So digitize document, right? So I'll just put digitize document in the search menu, and if you see here inside this app integration, inside this document understanding, we have this digitize document menu, or you can say tab is available, or you can say this activity is available. I just drag that activity and just put that activity after this load taxonomy, right? So we already load taxonomy, we already create the structure, we already create the skeleton of my taxonomy. Now what I need to do, I need to digitize the documents, right? Because here we don't know what kind of document we are dealing with. It could be a digitized document, it could be a non-digitized document, right? So if you see document path, so what I'll do, I'll just open one non-digitized document first, and later we'll see with digitized document as well, right? So here if you, I'll just collect one PDF image, or you can say this is a JPG, PNG, one.png, it's a portable network graphics, it's an PNG documents, or it's an PNG, that means it's an image, right? It's image is a form of the non-digitized document, right? So here the second, like document text, so I'll just create one variable here like control K, where document type 1, just enter, and if you see document object module, so here also I'll just simply create one variable where DOM1, and I'll just simply click the enter. So what do you mean by this digitized document, or what is the main functionality of this digitized document, what is the meaning of that, or what is the main purpose of that? So here this one.png, if I'll open this one.png file, so this is the image, right? This is the PNG image. Okay, so this is a non-digitized document, right? But still I want to automate this, or I want to deal with this type of document, so I need to read this data. So with help of this document understanding, or with help of this digitized document, I am reading this image data, right? So that's what here I'll just use this PNG path here, document text. Now whichever output I will get, I will store that output inside this document text variable, document type 1, this variable, right? If you see here OCR engines, right? So I'll just type some OCR engines like OCR, so I will get like Google OCR and other OCR engines as well. So I'm using this OmniPage OCR here, right? OmniPage OCR. If you're not getting this OmniPage OCR, just click on this manage packages, and from all packages simply put OCR, or you simply put okay, omni uipath.omnipage.activities, and just simply click the installed version. It's already installed, so here I am getting this update option. Fine. So OmniPage OCR. Now I'll just simply run my program. So I'm checking here whichever task, whichever activity I have performed here, is it executable or not. So it's an executable, right? So that means this one.png file is readable. So simply what I'll do now, I'll just take a simple write text file, right? What I'm doing here, I'm just writing the output which I get from this variable. I'll just simply use this output variable as a input for write text file. What is the main purpose of this write text file? It's write the output in a text format or in a text file, right? So I'll simply click on this, and I'll just simply put demo, okay, demo.txt, and simply click on this save button. Again, if I'll just run my program, okay, it's executable. Now this output is stored inside this where document type 1, okay, and I'm just using this document type 1 as a input in this write text file. So I'll just open this demo.txt, right? So if I'll refresh it, if you see demo.txt, right? So I'll just open that file, and if I'll open this, so you will see whichever information is available in the one.png, so that all information is right inside the you can say txt file. Means the non-digitized document, with help of this OmniPage OCR, non-digitized document is now converted in form of the digitized document, right? If I'll use now this var dom1 as an input, so here I'll just simply use dot serialize. It's an, you can say, method of that particular object. And if I'll just again, if I'll run this, it's executed, right? And if I'll again, it's if I'll open this, if you see now all the information related to that file is available in this demo.1, like demo dot, or you can say dom, right? Document object module. If you see here, document id is equal to one.png, document type, it's an image, right? So that's what image, and which kind of the image, it's an png image. What is the length of that? 528 pages. All this information is available, right? That's what that dom, document object module, is used here, right? Now this is all about the non-digitized document, right? If I want to automate the digital object or digitized document, so that also we can do easily. So I'll just simply take digitized document here. So if I'll choose this invoice 143, right? This is the PDF document, invoice 143, right? If I'll open this, see invoice 143, so it looks like this, right? So this invoice ID, like date, terms, customer ID, right, and total of this and address of this, okay. So now I'll just take this PDF document as the input, and here I'll just simply put this document type right as a input here, and now again I'll just run the bot or run the program. Now if I'll open this file, or if I'll open this demo.txt, again you will see that information which is available in this PDF document is written inside demo.txt file, right? In both document, like digitized document as well and non-digitized document as well, right? With help of the Omni page OCR or OCR engines, it converts, like if we consider the non-digitized document, that Omni page OCR is important to convert that non-digitized document to the digital format. But if the document is already available in the digitized form, now this will not work, or this will not consider basically, right? It automatically, it's already is in form of the digital document, so it's directly converted in form of like demo.txt. Fine. So that's what this digitized document means. Whichever document we are consider, or whichever document we are dealing with, now that document, it's convert in form of the digital document, right? So in the next video we will see which step we need to follow for the next topic. Okay, so thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Yeah, again, and just do subscribe this challenge. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching.